Hey everyone, today we're diving into something fresh and super useful, the brand new screenshot features in iOS 26. iOS 26 now gives you powerful options like thumbnail or full screen previews, HDR or SDR formats, and advanced editing tools like Crop and Magnify. Okay, let's jump right in. You can open your Settings app, tap on General, and then select the new screen capture option. Here you will see two preview modes. Toggle full screen preview to instantly open every screenshot for editing, or stick with a classic thumbnail that pops up in the bottom left hand corner. Here you will also be able to choose SDR or HDR formats, perfect for sharing vibrant visuals or saving on storage space. The last feature I would like to show you is the advanced editing tools when you're making a screenshot. You can make a screenshot by pressing the volume up and power button together. To edit the screenshot, you can tap on the pencil button at the top. To point out something important on your screenshot, you can tap on the plus button on the bottom right hand corner and select Add Loop. Here you will see the magnification glass, which you can adjust. You can also crop your screenshot from this menu. And that's it for today's tutorial.